Let's compare these two Simplehuman trash can options. One of them is the double trash can, and the other one here is a single. Both of these are going to use for their main section the size J liners, and then you can also add for the smaller section in the double a size V liner. So with this one, you can see if I open up the double, we have this larger section on the side, we've got a smaller section over here, and this is perfect if you want to do like recycling in one side and compost in the other, or trash on one side and recycling on the other. Both of these trash cans have these nice little pedals you can push that open them up. Very easy, you don't have to be touching the lid. Both of those work great. But again, if you want to divide up your recycling and your compost or your trash and your recycling, then the double is a great option. The single can works great if you just want to have like one trash can or one recycling. Again, press that pedal to open up. This is the size J liner. And then the smaller side here, either you can use a size J, which is what I tend to just do, or for the best fit, you can use a size H liner here. Overall, two great kitchen trash cans. Both of them do have that nice stainless steel on the front that's pretty resistant to fingerprints. And I find both of them work great. I think if you're going to divide up your recycling and your main trash, then the double is probably your best bet.